Okay, so I already did my foundation and I'm doing my concealer. I wasn't planning on filming this part, but I have a quick question for you guys. You guys like seeing the whole beginning part where I do my concealer, my foundation, my concealer, and all that stuff before my eyes in every video? Or is it okay if I don't put it in if I don't include it in every video? Just to shorten down like some of the videos times, because I really don't like long videos. So do you guys like seeing the whole face routine or what? Let me know in the comments below so I know what you guys want.
And he's back! I haven't used the Sigma Eyeshadow Persuade base in a long time because I ran out of it, but I finally got a new one, so I'm going to take this base, and then I'm going to take the Makeup Addiction Cosmetics, I think it's called the Meadow palette. It will be listed in the description box. I'm going to take that with the Sigma E38 blending brush and just use that as my transition color, the orange color, of course. And I'm just going to build that to the intensity that I want, and then make sure it's all blended out. And then I'm going to take the Morphe 35S palette, and I'm going to take this shimmery green color and apply that to the inner and the outer corner. And then I took that same palette with the matte dark blue color with a Sigma E30 pencil brush and ran that into, again, the inner and the outer crease, just not going as far up, and then blending that out. And then I'm taking this highlighter from the Balm Cosmetics and applying that as a base to the center of my eye, and I'm going all the way up. I want to go as far up as possible. I'm going a little bit further up than the green. I just want it to be like a really, I don't know, I just want that gold to be strong. And so I took a Motives eyeshadow on top of that. I'm not sure the name of this. I will have it listed in the description box below. And then for the lower lash line, I just used the transition color that I used first to blend that out, and then closest to my lash line, I added a little bit of the dark matte blue. And then in the inner corner, I used the Balm Cosmetics blue eyeliner.
That eyeshadow really messed up my under eyes. To warm up my face a little bit, I'm going to use the, what is this, Galactic Matte Bronzer in Cabo. Yep, that's what I'm going to use because that's all I have out here right now. This brush is from Benefit. It's one of my favorites. Probably can tell because I use it in like every video. Okay, and then I'm going to do my chin. My double chin. I could always tell when I'm starting to gain weight because it goes to my face first. So I'm about to take a couple pounds off my face with this bronzer. I have people asking me what brush this was. This is a Dose of Colors brush. Shader brush. And then for blush, I am going to use this Jouer Adore Blush Duo, and I'm going to use the color Adore Me. This one. So for highlight, I'm going to take the new Babe in Paradise from Morphe, which is in collaboration with Bretman Raw, which is, I love him, he's so hilarious. And I think I'm gonna take the color Vacation. Yep. That, I'm just gonna put it on with a sponge. Yeah, that color's pretty. And a little bit on my nose. I love a nose highlight, so I'm gonna go real strong. I'm gonna take Dose of Colors Knock on Wood lipstick.